What's going on, guys? Today I am going to be cooking Gỏi Cuốn. Alright, this is my first Gỏi Cuốn, or spring rolls, with my Vietnamese friend Nguy from the YouTube channel Thu Vui NGAY. If you can't tell, I'm in a very strange place right now. I'm actually on a boat. Let me show you around before I get started cooking. So there's Nguy, I just mentioned him. And you guys can see all around me, I'm in the middle of an ocean, and I think Nguy might have just caught a fish. Let's wait a second. You got a fish?
I hope so. Yeah.
Yeah? Alright, looks like he caught a fish. Perfect timing. Cá út vàng.
Cá vàng, đúng rồi.
Đúng rồi. Alright, học tiếng Việt.
Học tiếng Việt giỏi, không giỏi đá đít.
On this trip, we've caught maybe like 10 to 15 different species of fish. Yeah. Quý giỏi. Tội lắm. I don't know the English word for that fish, so if you guys want to tell me in the comment section, please do so. So I will be filming videos with Nguy, so make sure to check out his YouTube channel if you guys want to see full-length videos. So this is the fish, you guys. You can see it's nice little spikes right there. Cute little fish. We ate them already. I cooked them in another video. So if you guys want to check that out, I'll put the link in the description below. And I also got stung the other day, right here. I don't know if you can see it that well. But anyways, I forgot what I was saying, so we caught a fish. But we are not in the ocean, we're in Cần Giờ, which is close to the ocean. And the ocean is that direction. In that direction, see like Ho Chi Minh City, Không Nhớ. But being on the boat and Nguy being the captain, I am his assistant or his first mate. I don't really remember what you say or how you call it. But I need to cook. So let me show you what I'm dealing with and how I'll be cooking Gỏi Cuốn. So since I'm on a boat, we got a cooler with some ice. So you guys can see a bunch of fish. There's some cá ngạc there. There's a bigger fish right there, but I am not using the fish. I am using pork right here, Thịt Heo. Or not Thịt Heo, Thịt Heo. So I have to chop this up, which I'm not excited about, but I got a super sharp knife. If you guys want to see what else we got, let me move the fish because I don't want to get cut again. That hurt really bad. So you got some bigger versions of this. Hold on. So it's what Nguy caught earlier. Same thing, but this one is bigger and it's not gold. So it's like a silver one. And then there's some... Look at my finger. You guys see that? Don't stick your... Oh, it's okay. A little bit raw. But yeah, so lots of fish in here. But we're not going to be cooking any fish right now. And for vegetables, we have a bunch of stuff in here. So I have to dig it up and then try to figure out how to make something. But since Nguy is Vietnamese and has a wife that cooks very, very well, he is an expert taster for Gỏi Cuốn. And I think Nguy wants to assist me for making spring rolls because he doesn't trust me for the wrapping. So I will do the cooking and he will help me wrap the spring rolls, but I will still wrap a few. And he knows I'm terrible at this, but all right, guys, let's get started. Let's cook some Gỏi Cuốn. Nguy just asked if I need help boiling the meat. I'm so insulted. I think được. Được. Tôi được 3 ngày.
3 ngày.
Và 4 ngày. Không sao. Không sao. Is this okay? Do you want it thicker? Your knife is crazy sharp though. You need a knife like this. Seriously? Come on, Nguy, you're Vietnamese. You know how to cook Gỏi Cuốn.
I know, but if
I know how to cook it.
Later you let me hungry.
I know how to cook it. It's just like a preference for how big the meat is, because I like big chunks of meat. But for you, it's because I'm your assistant on the boat. Alright, I'll just
But
cut.
you bigger than me. You're stronger.
And I would just boil the whole thing and then eat it as it is.
I'm scared that you boil me as well.
If I get hungry, yeah. I think if there was somebody who would eat somebody, I would eat you first.
Bạn thấy đến tin dữ không? Nếu mà
Ăn thịt người.
ăn thịt người,
Đúng.
tin sẽ ăn anh ba trước. Trời ơi.
That's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. I'll cut it up. I'll cut it up again. Don't worry. Don't worry. Gui, do you have any like do we, I don't know the green sauce? What is it? Chan? It's not like chan muối. Chan.
Muối ớt chanh.
Do you have?
I have no.
Just,
Let me check.
or just maybe just nước mắm then?
No.
Like something that like season the pork. Right here is our spice cabinet. Cabinet. Yeah, our spice area. We pretty much have the essentials. Nước mắm and oil. We got banchan, yeah. We clearly need banchan. Yeah, no problem.
No.
Yeah, không có, không sao. We'll just use nước mắm and lots of vegetables. And we'll... Pepper?
Muối tiêu.
Muối-
Pepper sauce.
That's okay. We'll just use nước mắm. So we don't have... I prefer my pork with some sort of like a sauce of some sort. We don't have that, so we have to use fish sauce. That's okay. Because frankly, I don't really care when you're on a boat doing this for 3-4 days. It's you just stop caring. So we're gonna boil it. I have no idea how long. 10 minutes, 20 minutes. So I'll prepare the vegetables now and then probably do some fishing while we wait for that to finish boiling. No more bait. I know Vietnamese don't put tomatoes in theirs, but that's okay because I don't want to waste the stuff. You need me to clean this?
Yeah, sure.
It's extra minerals, V. I think we got another fish. I just got the vegetables ready. Cado.
Correct.
Alright, cado. See, I'm practicing my thing Viet.
The color.
Cado bang.
Yeah, đúng rồi.
It's a very pretty fish. It's a very pretty fish. In this video, we're not fishing, we're cooking. And now I need to clean the vegetables. That's how you clean vegetables on a boat.
Oh,
What?
so many.
So much?
So much.
Come south, come south, come south. There's a lot of lime juice.
Ngon.
Some? More?
Ngon.
Nữa?
Nữa. Đưa nhiều ngon. Nữa.
Okay, some.
Xong.
Here we go. you need to have some sort of Vietnamese sauce. Got the nước mắm right here. We just watched him make nước mắm, or the nước mắm sauce, and he questions how good it's going to be. So he decided he's going to make some of his own, and then we're going to compare them to see which one is better. Clearly, mine is going to be much better. Clearly, Quy.
Confident.
I know it's going to be better.
Yeah, I know. Because you are the cook. You are the chef now.
I am the chef.
Yeah.
Mine's going to be better. Nhiều lắm.
Yeah.
Wow. You guys can guess which one is his and which one is mine. Gui's, mine. But I still prefer mine. We're gonna check on, that was hot, the meat. I don't know, I can't really tell, but I'll just put the lid back on. Give it another 5 more minutes and I think we'll be good. So I'm gonna cheat really quick. I'm gonna try the nước mắm before we eat the Gỏi Cuốn. This one is Gui's. Yeah, it's pretty good. They're just different. Gui's is super sweet. Mine is super strong. So if you like strong nước mắm, I'm the clear winner on that one. But we need to try it with the Gỏi Cuốn, because we'll see which one's better then. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So I go first?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna make the first one from this angle, you guys, because filming on a boat is kind of hard. And then later I'll show you how I make the Gỏi Cuốn. So let me try it out first. Makes the Gỏi Cuốn taste better. Okay, let's make a Gỏi Cuốn. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I know in Vietnam you guys don't use tomatoes in Gỏi Cuốn, but they're going to go bad, so I don't want to waste the food, so I'm putting tomatoes in my Gỏi Cuốn. Alright, this is my first Gỏi Cuốn. I'm big, so I like big Gỏi Cuốn. I use 2 rice papers, but I'll show you guys how I make these in just a second. Alright, so I'll do my fish sauce, or my nước mắm, yeah, whatever, everything's in here.
Ngon không?
Hmm?
Thử nước mắm anh ba đi.
Alright, now your nước mắm. Yours is just sweet.
Yeah.
So it's like, I feel like the people in the north will like my nước mắm more compared to the south.
Yeah.
But yours is very sweet. It's good, don't get me wrong, but it depends if you like the sweetness.
Yeah.
All right.
So and now you rub the not rub the sauce.
Well done. I'm happy.
Yeah.
Ooh, wow.
Ôi, ngon.
Okay. Alright, Gui's gonna make one, and then I'll make some more for you guys afterwards. But it's super good though. Just a little bit better than mine, Gui.
Yeah.
Just a little
So
bit.
you try this.
So I eat yours?
Yeah.
Alright. So here's Gui's, you guys. So I'll try this right now. I'll do your nước mắm first. Okay. It's the sweet one. Well, but
ăn ớt nè. Dustin ăn ớt nữa.
I'm sure. That's good. I don't know. I really like Gỏi Cuốn. I just screwed up with my phone settings, so half of this was in slow motion, so I have to cut that out of my video, but that's okay. So let me make some Gỏi Cuốn right now. But yeah, no, it's I'm actually I'm happy with how this came out. It's good. Alright. See, I like when I do them with double, I'll do them like this. I'll spread them out a little bit. I think it's good though. I don't know why, but it tastes like right now, like just what we've been doing today.
You know, whenever I go with the boat, I eat more than at home.
Really?
Yeah.
So I'll put some ualeo, tomatoes. I don't think we have enough vegetables though. That's okay. I'll put some garlic, some chili. All right. Go.
Tốt, ngon. Nhiều dinh dưỡng.
The rice paper. Better. It's like similar to yours. It's better. All right. Try it. Let's go.
Vừa ăn vừa lướt cái.
I already cleaned it. We doesn't trust my cleaning skills.
Yeah, I know. Because I see you clean, so I know.
Yeah. It's like when I'm on the boat with them. I'm always a little bit dirtier. Do I smell though?
No.
Okay, good.
You smell nothing.
Okay, good.
If you smell, I eat you already.
Yeah. I'm glad that's not the case. But both of my shirts right now are completely wet because of the rain. But one of them is getting like mildewy because it's I'm either sweating or it's raining. So it's like it's wet either way. But right now it's wet from the rain. So for those spicy chili on that one, we're not Vietnamese. I highly encourage you guys to try Gỏi Cuốn. You can make it at your house. It's pretty easy to make. You saw me do it. I did a pretty exceptional job. But Gui, on a scale of 1 to 10.
Nine boys.
But you don't know the scale yet. Hold on, từ từ. So 10 being like the most Vietnamese Gỏi Cuốn ever, and a 1 being the meat I'll eat with the lettuce. No, không xin. Bình thường. You know I can drink a lot. But how Vietnamese is this? So on a scale of 1 to 10.
If you make the fish sauce like this, I give you a 9.
Or 9, okay. 9 is very good. So on a delicious scale,
yeah.
How good is it though?
It's very good now. I don't know because maybe we stay on the box, so the stay is better.
No, hold on.
But I love it.
You guys hear that? We gave it a 9 for Vietnamese scale. But thankfully, Gui is probably one of my few Vietnamese friends who is willing to eat the food that I cook. Some of mine will just absolutely refuse. I think Gui's wife would probably not want to eat my Gỏi Cuốn. But I think it's not good. But for you guys, we're going to continue eating. If you want to see some more footage, I mentioned earlier in the video, Gui's YouTube channel, Tu Voi Yang Ya. But if I don't eat all the rest of the vegetables, I will be eating the rest of the meat because meat is rock long. My mouth is a little spicy right now. But for you guys, I hope you have a great day. I hope you guys have a great day. And take care. Tom Beat. I'll see you later. Bye-bye, you guys.
Goodbye.
Guy.